Hi, it's Angie, and I have a quick multi-brand haul to share with you today. What I do when I get multiple beads in at one time is put them on one of these charm bars that comes in the OHM play tray, and I keep them there so that I am reminded which ones I want to style with in my next bracelet designs. So it's been a while, and I have a little bit of a haul here to share with you. I have some OHM beads, some Trollbeads, some Chronicles of Amber, and some Trollbeads and Pandora as well. So let's get started, and I'll show you each brand individually. So first up, I have some retired OHM beads. This one is called Cradle Me, and it's from the OHM Baby collection. And as you can see, it is a sweet little cradle. It's got the OHM logo there on the side. And this is the second to last piece I needed to complete this collection. And it's really pretty, a nice chunk of silver and just a really sweet cradle. So I'm really happy to be able to add this to my OHM Baby collection. The next OHM beads I was very happy to find were the OHM Rolled Over. These are sold out and retired, and they're a matte finish sort of tire track glass bead, and they're really, really cool. I really like them. That matte finish is very different. And the last retired bead I have in this haul is a glass one. This is called OHM Northern Lights, and the colors are so pretty in this one. So swirly and green and blue. This is one of those older donut-shaped glass beads, and it's absolutely stunning. Really beautiful. So I'm very happy to have that one too. The next brand I want to share is called Trollbeads. This one is the silver one I picked up. It's called Morning Dew. It's an asymmetrical silver leaf with 2 glass dewdrops on it. Also really unusual and very pretty. It's a pretty good size bead too. Very cool. And this green one is called True Potion, which I thought was just so mesmerizing. Great to pair with some frog charms. That's True Potion. And these ones are called Dragon Eyes, and this is what really drew me to the brand. I have a pair of green ones, and they are called Magic. Sorry, I have the reflection of my window there. And then I loved it so much, I picked this one up too. This is called Mystery, and it's kind of a purpley green. Really pretty. This is another new to me brand. This is Chronicles of Amber, and these are just amazing in person. There's so much depth and detail in these beautiful flowers. This one is called the Dahlia Orange Green charm, and you can just see every leaf and petal. And this larger one is called Violet Amber charm, and it's just gorgeous. Oh my goodness. They're just so beautiful. They carve the inside. I don't even know how they do it, but these are really special and really different. Next, I have 2 new beads from Trollbeads. I get mine at Trollbeads Canada. This is from the new Dolphin's Delight collection. This one is called Crushing Waves. Really pretty glass with blue and sort of sandy brown at the core, and then these nice ripples on top of the glass. And the silver I picked is called the Dolphin Family, and I just love the movement on this. It's like all the dolphins are leaping through the water together. It's so nice. Lots of detail on that one. All those pretty dolphins. Love it. And then if you saw my last video about my first picks from the Pandora Summer Drop, I did mention that I got the Bubble Tea Murano glass charm dangle, and here it is. I was so intrigued that it's Murano glass, so I think that's really cool. And it's got the top foam and straw in silver, and that base too with the Pandora logo and crown. Very plain bail, but that's okay. It was a little smaller than I thought, but I really like it. And that is the Pandora Bubble Tea Murano glass dangle. And that's it for my multi-brand haul for this time. I can't wait to design with all of these and make some really pretty bracelets. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed seeing my recent multi-brand haul.